This is a Calendarium 2 puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Dmitry Andreev and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of the Calendarium 2 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to arrange the pieces in such a way that they show the current date. As you can see, when the puzzle is closed, it shows numbers like months and date, but now it shows like just unexistent date. But when you open the lid, you will see that now it looks like some kind of abstract art. You don't see any digits here. It looks just like nothing. But if you rearrange the parts, you will be able to make any date so that you can solve this puzzle every day for the entire year and have a correct solution for each day. If you like the Calendarium 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos about puzzles. And now I'll try to show you how to solve the puzzle for the current date. Let's say that today is the 1st of May. That means that we will have 0105. I know that in Northern America you will have the month's first day next, but it sounds too odd to me, so I'm going to do it like we do it in Europe. Okay, so I'll start with this piece, then this piece, then another one like this goes here, and this goes here. So, oh, not this one, sorry. This one will go here. So this will be 0. We can cover the lid so that we can make sure it is 0. And here we will have 1, so I can put this one and this one, and then this goes here for 1. And I need another piece that will show me 1 here. It will be this one. And I have to remove it from this 0 and change 0 with something else like that. So now we have 0, 1. Now we have to make another 0 here. So it will be this one. Then probably this one, maybe this one, and one more. Yeah, that's definitely another 0. And now we have to make 5 here. It is not 5, but what I have to do here is to find a piece that will be probably one of these. Let's see, yeah, I can grab this one and change it with another piece like this one. Then I have to find a piece that I'm gonna put here, probably something like either this one, yeah, this goes here, this I will put here, and now another one that will be here is probably this one. Oh yeah, that looks very close to the solution, and maybe, no, I don't think it is the correct one. It shows 6. Maybe I will change this one to something else to make it work for the 5. Let's see. This piece will definitely work here, and if I put it right here, that will be 5. And let's see, the result is May 5th, and that's how you solve the Calendarium 2 puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to solve it every day for the next year, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca.